As a kid, a pitcher of sweet tea was a staple in my mom's fridge. As an adult, sweet tea barbecue is more my thing. Hi everyone, I am Scott, and here's what you need to make sweet tea barbecue. 1.5 cups of strongly brewed tea, and I mean strong enough to make your eyelashes curl. 1 cup of sugar, a 12-ounce bottle of chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and my protein of choice is tofu. Throw everything but your tofu into a pot. The smoked paprika and the sweet tea, gonna get that sugar in there. I'm using chili sauce because it's got a little bit more vinegar, it's got some onion and some delicious spices in there. Once you've got everything combined, you're gonna bring it up to a simmer and let it bubble away for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, let's talk tofu. I get super firm and this is a 16-ounce block. And as soon as I get it home from the grocery store, it goes right into the freezer. Freezing your tofu does something magical to the texture that vegetarians, vegans, and even meat eaters all love. Thaw your tofu for about 8 hours and then use a little muscle to squeeze out all of that water. Break half your tofu into chunks and then shred the rest. Add about 1.5 cups of sauce to your tofu onto a cookie sheet and into the oven at 375 degrees for about 15 minutes or until everything is nice and caramelized. Ladies and gentlemen, this is delicious on barbecue pizza or on southern cheesy grits. Yum! My favorite way to eat this is on a bun with some creamy coleslaw and a few slices of apple. But no matter how you decide to eat this, sweet tea barbecue is delicious. It's vegan and it's easy peasy to put together. Cheers to sweet tea and barbecue.